Hi guys, Windows 11 show boot after update. How to fix? So guys, firstly click to start button and then click to setting and go to update and click to update and install all the KB number and all showing the update and then restart properly and then start. So all they are pending and pending for, so that's why Windows booting so very time. And now second step it is go to um, open Windows Explorer. Actually I'm give you simple way. Right click to more option, then click to manage. So click to driver manager and click to display driver. So if your system have a graphic card, so you update your graphic card driver, because when you're booting the firstly as displays come first, so you want to update your display driver. And then guys go to Windows Explorer and then check your system C drive has full or not. If your system C drive is full, so also your booting time late. So please check have data, so transfer to D drive and data backup. So guys please check